Use the COUNTIF function to count the number of cells that meet criteria you specify, such as the number of times a name shows up within a range of cells. To use a formula with COUNTIF, select an empty cell, type the equals sign, and type COUNTIF into the cell, followed by an opening parenthesis. The COUNTIF function has two arguments, range and criteria. Let's start with range. Select a range of cells, type a comma to advance to the next argument, which is the criteria to look for. Type a quotation mark, and then the name Buchanan as the search criteria. End with another quotation mark. Type a closing parenthesis and press Enter. Buchanan's name appears 7 times within the selected range. To change the arguments of the function, you don't need to retype it. Select the formula bar and replace Buchanan's name with another salesperson.